A small little update. How's everybody doing today? Our tomato plants are doing very well. We planted them around June the 7th, and they're starting to get all sorts of tomatoes. Fantastic. Another month and a week or so, and we're done in zone 5. Still waiting for our beans. God knows when. You know, they would have grown really tall, but I didn't make it tall enough. Zucchini's exceptional. A lot of them this year. Very healthy. Peppers are doing good. I cut peppers today. Eggplant still too early, but we're having some that are forming. Like on the bottom, I don't care if I don't get that many. On the top I'll have, but I shouldn't have placed them like that. But sometimes that's life. Let's take a look on this side. Tomatoes are doing fantastic on this side too. We have the eggplants. For garden in Montreal, it's pretty good. If I would have been in Georgia, this wouldn't have been so good. Because in Georgia, you have the sun, you have the long months of summer, but here in Montreal, zone 5, and if we're lucky, if it's a zone 5, this is what we get. That's one reason why everything is grown hydroponically and on top of roofs. They build a pretty big Walmart, and they have now the biggest hydroponic grow house in Canada on top of the roof. What can you do if you can't grow them in ground? You gotta grow them somewhere. And with Trump and his 35% tariffs, don't help. Grocery stores are so expensive. Like in the winter, 2 zucchini for, if I'm not mistaken, for $8. The ones that are perfectly alright. The other ones, imperfected there and perfect, whatever they call them there at the grocery store, they were like $4, half price. So since I like zucchini, I used to get the ones with the imperfections. Little flowers. They didn't even have time to sprout. Now they're gonna go bye-bye in a month. Yeah, the garden is doing pretty good. Anyways, I'm running out of battery. So catch yous later. Bye for now.